Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix Valorant Vanguard crash report. It's easy. If you want to fix this problem, all you have to do first click here and now type after that type device manager, then go to display adapters, right click update, set it automatically for drivers, and then the next one here, and now just go to Riot Games file location, and here it is. Click on it. Valorant live shooter game, binaries with 64. Scroll down until you find Valorant with 64 shipping. Right click on it, properties, compatibility, enable those three options here. Run this program as administrator and disable full screen and run this program in compatibility mode for Windows 8. Click apply and OK, and then close this file explorer and then restart your PC. And after restarting your PC, just open task manager, scroll down, make sure to disable Vanguard, right click on it, click end task, and then open Valorant. Your problem must be fixed, and see you in the next video.